Today we are seeing the first practical of GeoGebra, that is finding the distance between 2 points given on the ruler or the number line. Now for this you have opened GeoGebra Classic. This is the opening screen. You can see the standard view of your Cartesian coordinate system. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. Now here the numbers are given 1 2 3 4 5, that is the distance, and you can move this standard view by clicking on the option, that is button given here. Click here and you can move the graphics view by clicking and dragging the cursor. But for reference or for this first practical, we require standard view. So you can also right click with the mouse button and select the standard view. Standard view will be shown. Now here the points are given. Now you have to first label the points on the number line for finding the distance between 2 points. Suppose you have given the points A 5 and B 7. So you have to label the numbers, that is 5 and 7, on the number line. So for this, first you are going to label the numbers. For example, click here on the number option, giving the number name to the point. Click on point and select the point here. This will be given point A. Similarly, if you click on point 20, the number will be given name B. In the same way, I am pointing 4 points on the right side and similarly 4 points on the left side, E, F, G and H. Now if you want to find the distance between 2 points, that is C 3 1 and H minus 4 1. So for this you have to select the button, that is distance or length. Click on the option here and here select the distance or length. Click on first C and then click on G. It will give you the distance between points C and G, that is 3 1 and minus 3 0, that is 6. So the label is given on the number line. You can move this label by clicking on select option, select and click on move and then drag this label to the downwards. In the same way, if you want to find the distance between B and H, that is the point on number line is 2 0 and H is minus 4 0. So for that, select, again I am showing you, click on the distance or length by clicking on this option, then click on B and then click on H. It will show you the distance BH, that is 6. Again you can move this label downwards or top. You can move this. So you can see how can we find the distance between 2 points on the number line. You can also rename the points. If the points are given that number point A is 4 0 and point B is 5 minus 5 0, then you have to label this point as B and label 4 0 as A. So here you have to rename. For this renaming, select the point and click on rename. Right click with the mouse button and select the option rename. Here you can choose the label, that is A. Click on OK. The point should not be the same, so I am giving small case A. And if the point B is given minus 4 0 minus 5 0, as already I have spoken, in the same way select the new point and click on minus 5 0 and here rename the point as B and then click on OK. To find the distance between A and B, select distance or length option and then click on A and click on B. The distance will be given and you can move this label as already I have shown you. Select and drag the point. This is your first practical for finding the distance between 2 points on the number line. Thank you.